Hey everyone, Mark here at the virtual showroom. Let's have a look at another great pre-owned vehicle. Let's take a look at this gorgeous Nissan Rogue, finished in a really nice dark red metallic. I apologize for the sun. When we get to this side, it'll be a little bit better. Sun's just coming down, but I wanted to get these videos up. So again, it's the SV model. I'll show you some of the standard features interior wise. As you can see, this just came out of the detail shop. Nate did a great job cleaning her up. We'll walk around, you get the nice alloy wheels. So you can see the body's in very nice shape. I'll step back, a little different than my traditional video. But again, I'm fighting the sun. So I can't beat the sun, but I don't want to. I want the sun around as long as I can. Fog lights on top of the alloy wheels. Nice beefy Nissan grille. Hood's in nice shape. I'm gonna walk this way this time. Glass. You get the side rails, so you could always pop the cross rails on if you had a ski box or kayak carrier or something like that. So again, versatile. Let's have a look at the trunk real quick. So a good sized trunk. You got the privacy cover as well. So covered here. Boom. Hide your goods. Always a nice thing. Got some more storage down there. So again, very versatile. Oop, I got it off the track here. There we go. So tons of additional storage rooms. Really like the Rogues. Nice vehicles. I'll show you the back seats now. You got nice cloth seating. Get some ventilation there. Cup holders here. Fold that up. So again, those, I forgot to mention, these seats obviously fold down. You have anchors on all three seats. You can fold them down, get that additional cargo space. You can take that cover out as well. So again, some versatility there. Power windows on the rear. Jump up, you got push button start with proximity key, so you hit that, lock your doors, hit that to unlock the doors. I won't do it because I left the key inside. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well. It's a nice feature for the kids. Or to protect the kids. You got a power driver's seat with lumbar support. You got some more standard features. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have a trip reset. You have eco and sport mode here. You got traction control you can shut off. Here's your gas door. So again, all the tips of the driver, which to me is what it's all about. Push button start. Music. All right, leather wrap steering wheel. Sorry, not a leather wrap steering wheel on this one. But you've got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left hand side, on the right hand, all your cruise control settings here, voice recognition. I mixed that up, didn't I not? No, I didn't. No. Volume controls on this side, Bluetooth and cruise on this side, so a little different than the Hyundais, but still all there. There's your keys. You get heated seats high and low on both sides. I'm gonna leave those off, don't want to roast in here today. Really, you're plugging in USBs down here. Front rear defrost, easy to use, air conditioning. Nice good sized touchscreen, backup camera. So again, all there. Connections. Oh, got some old iPhones in there, so we can delete those. So again, nice vehicle. Backup camera. So again, lots of standard features. Air conditioning. Dash is in nice shape. Cloth's in nice shape. Again, SV package, local trade. Low kilometers, my goodness, 36,000. I didn't even read the ad, I just came out to shoot the video. 36,000 kilometers on this 2018 Nissan Rogue. Don't miss out. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this one or any other vehicle you see in our fleet. Make sure you call, text, or email us, shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. Just trying to get out of the sun so you can see the vehicle a little bit better. As always, follow us on Facebook. Important, we always have tons of giveaways. Whether you're in the market or not, it's important to follow us on Facebook. We look forward to seeing you soon for your next vehicle purchase.